IB Juniors, hi, welcome back. Hope you had a good weekend and whatnot, and hopefully you had a chance to watch Nicholas and Alexandra because I think it's really good. Number one, number two, I think it would help for you to um, maybe have a little more perspective or different perspective on World War One and the effects of the Russian Revolution on it. But anyway, here's what we got going. This is for Monday, April 27th. First, complete the April 27th do now assignment. That'd be great. Second, trying to get out of the sun here for heaven's sakes. Second, the political party's October revolt assignment is due today. If you have questions on it, please come in to the video conference at 11. We'd love to have more people. Usually they draw a beautiful picture, students that are on there, and sometimes we even talk about things that are meaningful. In this unit that's really condensed. It used to be a month long, and now it's about a week and a half. So there's a lot of material. Stop in and ask questions. But on Wednesday, the next assignment in this unit is due, and that is building the one-party state, and that's due on Wednesday. The assignment after that, related to the economics of the Russian Revolution, is available. It's called the War Communism versus the NEP assignment, and it's available, and that's due Tuesday, May 5th, if you'd like to work ahead. So you've got plenty to do. You've got a lot to learn, and I like your attitudes. We will hopefully see you soon. Bye.